Hello friends, welcome to Engineering at Movement channel. In this lecture, we will study what is density, why density is important in engineering, how density affect physical phenomena, and how density affect other properties of material. We will know all this. Why wood floats on water and metal nail sinks in water. To know all this, be connected to Engineering at Movement channel. Friends, density can be defined as mass upon volume. So, for a unit volume, how much mass is present in the substance is its density. For example, for 1 centimeter cube, how much gram of mass is present in the substance is its density, or for 1 meter cube volume, how much mass is present in the substance is its density. Unit of density is gram per cubic centimeter or kg per cubic meter. Measuring density will help us determine characteristics of the material. For example, material will float on water or material will sink on water, or material will float on any other liquid or material will sink on any other liquid, or any liquid will float on any other liquid or any liquid will sink in any other liquid. Density affects other properties of material like strength, resilience. For example, polyurethane foams are manufactured in different kinds of densities. A lesser density PU foam will have lesser resilience and a more density PU foam will have more resilience. Metals have different density. A lesser density metal has less strength. A more density metal has more strength. Density helps us to know mass and volume of the material. For example, if you know density of the substance and mass of the substance, then you can calculate its volume. Or if you know density of the substance and volume of the substance, you can calculate its mass. If you place a wooden block on water, it will float on water. But if you place a metal nail on water, it will sink in water. The reason is wood has less density than water and metal nail has more density than water. A less density substance will float on water and a more density substance will sink in water. And the reason is in wood for for same volume less atoms are packed, but in water for same volume more atoms are packed. So density of wood is less and density of water is more. And in metal nail for same volume more atoms are packed, but in water for same volume less atoms are packed. So metal nail will sink in water. So density tell us how tightly material is packed. If we go for same volume, gases has less atoms packed, liquid has more atoms packed and solid has more atom packed than liquid. So take for example 1 meter cube for 1 meter cube volume room, gas has less atoms, liquid will have more atoms and solid will have large amount of atoms. So gas has less density, liquid has more density than gas and solid has more density than liquid and gas both. So when density increases, packing of atoms and molecules in the substance also increases. That is, I told you, density tell us how tightly material is packed. If density is more, material is very tightly packed, and if density is less, material is less tightly packed. This is MdV triangle. M is on upper side and D and V are lower side. If upper side M will be divided by lower side D, it will give V. If upper side M will be divided by lower side V, it will give D. and if lower side d is multiplied with lower side v, it will give m. This helps us to remember these formulas. That is, mass will be divided by density will give volume, mass will be divided by volume will give density, and density when multiplied with volume will give mass. So it helps us to remember these three formulas. I hope friends you all have enjoyed my lecture. At Engineering at Moment we will be bringing more lectures like this. Just subscribe our channel and don't forget to like and share our videos. Thank you.